Hi everyone, welcome to day 3 of our week looking at inspiring female chemists. And today we're going to be talking about Rosalind Franklin. So, Rosalind Elsie Franklin, born 25th of July 1920, was an English chemist and X-ray crystallographer. Her work was central to the understanding of the molecular structures of DNA, RNA, viruses, coal, and graphite. Franklin was diagnosed with ovarian cancer in 1956, and although she continued her research throughout her treatment, she passed away in London on April 16, 1958, aged only 37.
Franklin attended St Paul's Girls' School before studying physical chemistry at Newnham College, Cambridge. After graduating in 1941, she received a fellowship to conduct research in physical chemistry at Cambridge, but the advance of World War II changed her course of action. Not only did she serve as a London air raid warden, but in 1942 she gave up her fellowship in order to work for the British Coal Utilisation Research Association, where she investigated the physical chemistry of carbon and coal for the war effort.
She was able to use this research for her doctoral thesis, and in 1945 she received a doctorate from Cambridge. In 1951 she joined King's College, where she discovered the density of DNA and, more significantly, established that the molecule existed in a helical formation. Her work to make clearer X-ray patterns of DNA molecules laid the foundation for people such as James Watson and Francis Crick, whose suggestion that DNA is a double helix polymer later awarded them the Nobel Prize in 1962.
She is best well known for her work on the X-ray diffraction images of DNA, particularly photo 51, which is on the left.
After her work on DNA, she led pioneering work on the molecular structures on viruses. Even during the 2 years she was undergoing cancer treatment, she continued to contribute to science significantly, producing 13 papers. And although she never received a Nobel Prize herself, her research was the basis of many other people's prize-winning research. Many universities across the country, including King's College London, Nottingham Trent University, and both the universities of Wolverhampton and Portsmouth, have buildings named in her honour.
Thank you for listening to Day 3 of Inspiring Women in Chemistry.